Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can set up a new approval rule on TranZact. So we do have document approval feature on TranZact available where you can set up a rule and accordingly once the document will be created it will come to you for approval. So how you can set it up? You need to go in approval modules. On your left hand side you will see approval module option. Please click on this. Now on your right hand side in the very top you will see an option of rules. Please click on this. So these are few of the rules which I have already set it up. How you can add a new rule? So you need to click on add new rule. Now you need to select that which rule you want to apply. That will be a credit limit rule, or that will be a company rule, or that will be a amount rule. So suppose I am just setting up a credit limit rule. So click on this. Now here it will ask for the document, for which document you want to set it up. So either that will be purchase order, order confirmation, sales invoice, or sales quotation. So I will put it for the sales invoice. Now what will be the lower bound, upper bound? So lower bound will always remain 0 in credit rule. Upper bound will be like I want only to provide like credit limit of 2 lakhs to this organization. So I will accordingly set it up. Now I will select the company name to which company I am just setting up this rule. So I'm setting it up for the Brilliant Engineering Private Limited. Select this company. You can select multiple companies as well in this, and who will be the approver. So in this case I'm just putting Mr. Akhil as an approver. So I will just put it here and I will click on save rule. Once I will click on save rule, please check both of the rule are saved, and while creating the document those rules will be applied. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you on how to set up a new approval rule on TranZact. Have a good day ahead.